We have a 1937 Ford Cabriolet from Downs. It's a Downs body and chassis from Legend Motors. This thing's got 1,500 miles on it since it was built. It's very meticulous, detailed, beautiful car. It does have a convertible folding top, air conditioned, air ride, ultra soft plush interior, beautiful inside and out. You're going to like every minute of this video. Also comes with this folder, all good information in here, Ron Francis wiring, the certificate of origin, all the paperwork from when what the car came with when it was bought new. It had $78,000 invested in the car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read about it, look at the pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag along with an easy monthly payment. We also have a Buy It Now button. If you really like a car, I strongly suggest you click that button. Just get it locked in while you're thinking about it before someone beats you to it. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Okay, I mentioned the convertible top. It is a folding top. It's the same tan canvas. It's all stainless, polished hardware, and it's a very nice top. Most of these have a lift-off Carson top, which you have to leave at home. So this does take a few minutes. There's a few wing nuts, a couple pieces you got to remove to fold the top down. Once you've done it once or twice, not a big deal. But it does take a couple minutes, but you do have a folding convertible top, which is a big plus on one of these cars compared to a lift-off top. So it's a Downs body. They're very reputable, and it is straight. I mean, this is show quality. This is not a wavy, ripply body. This is outstanding fit and finish. I mean, this is like glass. It's smooth. I don't see any damage. Excellent shape. This is really nice, very slick. It has remotes for the doors. They do work. I just tried them a minute ago. They're in the center console right now. But yeah, the body's excellent. I don't see any cracks, damage. I don't see fiberglass showing through the paint. I don't see any issues with the body. It's amazing. It's got a good look to it. The nice crisp line on the fenders. The paint is like glass. There's a chip up here from the top, but this is orange glass. I'm trying to see if it has metal flake. A very tiny metal flake. And then the silver, of course, is metal flake. It's an amazing paint job. I mean, I've walked by it and thought, wow, that's sharp. And now that I'm really looking at it, this paint's outstanding. There is some little pinstripes, some silver, some red. There's multiple lines. It looks like gold leaf, but silver, so I don't know if that's silver leaf. You don't feel it either. You don't feel any of this. They did a really nice job, and it actually goes right into the jambs as well. So the body and paint really looks amazing. Whoever did it signed it right there. Lester Lines, I think it says. Lester Lines and Designs in 2012. There is a chip inside the jamb right here. Someone must have slammed it too hard. You have flush mount gas cap. You also have flush mount taillights, so you don't even feel them. I don't know how they did that, but LED taillights are built right into it. I don't know how to get that to close flush. Got some big polished Billet Specialty wheels on there. Goodyear tires. Let's see the size. They're 17-inch in back. Yeah, definitely smaller in the front, probably 15-inch. And yes, they are 15-inch. They're polished up real nice. Imagine this is a turn signal built into the mirrors. Smoked glass. Has all 4 windows. This is a window too. They're all smoked and they're all power. They all work. I just personally tried all 4 of them. I like the headlights. Real cool design on the headlights there. Nice grille. So yeah, the outside of the car is looking amazing, really sharp. Let's open it up. It's just as good inside. Before I open the trunk, the gas cap does close flush. I just had to take my time and do it carefully. And then there is also a third brake light, flush mounted and smooth. right there. And the LED is small, but the LED lights are bright. So there's a switch inside the car, and then there's also the magic button on the remote here that opens the power lift trunk. Very nice. It's all, you got this car cover, it'll come with it obviously, all completely boxed and upholstered to match the interior, even a little bit of chrome trim. It might be a jack, I'm not sure what's in there. And I'll go with it. They even put plastic down so you don't ruin the carpet. I would assume there's probably a battery, all the electronics, big giant amplifier, gel cell battery, the air ride equipment. That's all behind that panel right there. Polished hinges, that's real nice. Very tastefully done. I like their choices, the colors. Jams are painted nice. You'll see the detail, the pinstripe goes right into the jam. And the interior is amazing. The custom door panels, I like the sculpting. Got a little bit of like suede in there. The dash is painted to match the interior. It's like a satin finish. It's got matching, oval design going on everywhere. I am going to turn the key on, which is in the console, light up those gauges for you. Bear with me 1 second. It's a Dakota Digital Dash, 1,490 miles on it since it's been done. It's a clock, touch screen stereo. There's a little microphone, so it must be hands-free. This is for the climate control. It's Dakota Digital Climate Control for the heat and AC. Now you got all these nice panels, built-in speakers. There's oval, you can't see if there's oval interior lights. Got this beautiful low-car shifter. Really nice toggle switches for the windows and the trunk. Inside here, this is the air ride controls. You got your headlights, ignition, remotes for the doors, remote for the stereo. Here's a 12-volt receptacle. You can charge your phone. Right now the air ride works. You can set it where you want, but the programmable, where you can program it to different settings, that says it needs to be calibrated, so that will need a little tinkering. Carpets are beautiful. We're going to keep them wrapped up so they're nice and clean for you. This is that ultra leather. It is so soft and durable too. I think it's what they use on the airlines with a little suede insert. You got seat belts. It's got a small seat in back. When the top is up, this isn't in the way, so you're probably not going to put people back here with the top down. With the top up, you could put people back there. More speakers built in. Center console goes front to back. Beautiful wood wheel on a flaming river tilt column. It's got nice billet pedals. Everything about it is just done right. So the motor is a 383 stroker motor. So it's a 350 with a 400 crank, and I think it's bored 30 over. It's got a polished Edelbrock intake on there, and it's an Edelbrock carburetor. Notice all the stainless hoses and fittings, the fuel lines. Look at the AC lines. They're hard lines over here. That's done so nicely. The valve covers are painted to match the car. HEI ignition, the distributor caps painted to match the car. The front of the motor has the True Track system from March. All billet brackets, a mini compressor, polished alternator. It has a timing covers, billet aluminum. It's got aluminum water pump, big electric fan with the aluminum radiator. I like to keep it running cool. We'll have to toot that horn. There's a big horn there. And then the engine bay is all smooth and painted. See, that's a really nice engine compartment there. The air cleaner says 1937. Nice running little hot rod motor. Now I was wondering if these are turn signals. They are. And I mentioned the horn. Yes, it sounds like a muscle car. Comfortable inside too. Very tastefully done. That insulated black pouch, I did open it. There is a jack with the chrome lug wrenches. Also has a billet hinge. Now we're going to close this up. So underneath the car is all painted silver. It's a down stage 1 frame. It's all boxed. It has tubular supports in the middle of it. Then it has their stage 2 chassis kit. Up front, independent suspension with tubular upper and lower control arms. It has the RideTech Air Ride, so it has the Shockwave air shocks in the front, rack and pinion steering. Also, the way this hood opens, let me set the keys down. This was a little extra feature, it flips forward. I think that's pretty cool. Then there's a lever I'll push in inside. Getting back underneath the car, in back, it is a 4-links triangulated system, so tubular control arms, coil over, no, not coil, this has the air shocks, airbags, all adjustable air ride, a 20-gallon stainless steel tank, dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers, stainless clamps, quad stainless tips. This has the license plate that folds down, usually when you shut the car on and off. Right now it's not working. We'll be taking care of that. Willwood disc brakes at all 4 wheels. It's a power disc brake. It has the booster underneath. It's cadmium plated. What else we got going on? All painted silver. It's all slick, all nice and clean. Bottom of the motor has a thinned aluminum oil pan, chrome flywheel cover, chrome high torque starter, 700 R4 overdrive automatic transmission, Ford 9-inch rear end with 373 gears, 28 spline. So yeah, I think that wraps it up. You got a beautiful first-class street rod here. 1,500 miles on it since it's been done. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help answer your questions, help get it delivered to your door, get you financed if you need it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon if you enjoy the videos, and that way you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.